should be different, not like the old days. Back in the times when there was a such thing as a slave, black men could not stand up and be brave to protect their families and their homes. Instead, they were treated like dogs and given bones. These were the scraps that they were to receive. They were lucky to get leftovers on Christmas Eve. Black women and girls were beaten and raped, but these were the things that they had to take. Black men were treated lesser than a man. These are the things I do not understand. How one race can have dominance over the next, or one race treated like second best. Because inside our bodies, we are all the same. Kidneys, hearts, lungs, and some of us brains. Just as harsh as this may sound, yes, we are free, but still we are bound. G.